Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope fine. Meet with me again, Akila Zafira. I am from MTS Ali Maksum, Krapiak, Yogyakarta, and today we're going to make a pot from a plastic bottles. Guys, brighten your windowsills by making your own colorful plant pots out of plastic recycling. Plastic food and drink containers are perfect for plant pots. So then, put them in the recycling bin and repurpose them. For example, bottles, yogurt pots, milk jugs, or whatever you've got, into beautiful planters like herbs, seeds, flowers, or even rescued vegetable scraps like spring onion roots. So all you need is a brush, marker, scissors, and some acrylic paint to transform your pots into anything you like. It can be woodland animals, scenes under the sea, or any decorative works of art. Here's how to do it. Step 1. If you are using large plastic bottle, throw a ring around about a third of the way up from the bottom. Second, cut along the line. And next, pan your pot and leave them to dry completely. And then, customize them with your favorite design and with permanent markers, sticking pebbles, or some acrylic paints, or bedazzling them with plastic gems. Do anything you like. And to make drainage holes, heat up the head of a heater and repeat 3 until 4 times, but please be careful because it's very hot. Once you're done, fill them with compost, plant, and water your seed. And ta-da! And place them in a warm sunny spot, and don't forget to try this at home. And this is all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.